Hello everyone, welcome to our session on computer vision. In today's session, we will try and understand the following issues. What is computer vision? How is it different from image processing? What are the applications of computer vision? We will start with NASA and its Mars mission. When NASA sent the Curiosity rover to Mars, there was an anticipated radio delay of about 14 minutes. So any messages sent from Earth to Mars were going to take 14 minutes. This meant that the rover's movements could not be remote controlled. So NASA used computer vision. The Mars rover is an autonomous vehicle that is capable of identifying the nature of the surrounding terrain. It has a set of stereo cameras mounted on top which capture images continuously, and these images are then processed by powerful deep learning systems. As a result, the rover is able to understand the surface and move accordingly without receiving any instructions from Earth. So computer vision is all about enabling computers to extract high-level information from visual data. Computer vision is not one technology, but several that are combined to form a new kind of tool. It's a method for acquiring, processing and analyzing images, and can automate through machine learning techniques what human visual analysis can perform. As per Wikipedia, computer vision deals with how computers can gain high-level understanding from digital images or videos. This understanding can take many forms, such as identifying objects contained in an image or comparing and identifying faces. And part of the effort is to try and extract three-dimensional information from two-dimensional images. This can include measuring distances, for example. There is also a related field called image processing, where the purpose is similar to computer vision, but the methods are somewhat different. So what separates computer vision from image processing? Now, image processing uses rules-based engines. For example, one can apply rules to a digital image to highlight certain colors or to change the balance or other aspects of the image. Those rules then generate a final image. A classical example would be when we use software to restore old photographs. On the other hand, computer vision is powered by deep learning algorithms. There are no set rules that affect the outcome, and because it learns, it gets better, unlike photo processing. So specialized deep learning techniques are used, such as convolutional neural networks, in order to enable computer vision. And as technology improves, a number of potential opportunities have arisen where computer vision can be very, very helpful. It is now being used in self-driving cars and in retail space, for example, for cashierless stores. There are tremendous diagnostic possibilities in medicines and in general in healthcare. For example, these systems are being used to identify problems with X-rays. The military uses computer vision for better targeting of its weapon systems. And in industry, it is now possible to detect tiny manufacturing defects that are well beyond human visual capabilities. Airports have started using computer vision systems for facial recognition and paperless travel. So the next time you go to an airport, you may not actually need to carry your passport even. Text analysis is so well established now that banks are using computers to read and process checks with more than 99% accuracy. So there are many areas where computer vision is already in use and many more where it can find possible applications. So that's all for this session. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.